Welcome. Today's focus, Sol Sniper, a professional trading tool for Solana. If you trade meme coins or early launches, you know success depends on speed, control, and discipline. Sol Sniper delivers all three. Here's the edge. Sol Sniper connects directly to Solana nodes, executing trades in milliseconds. While manual traders are still loading a page, you're already in position at the best price. Before you buy, the bot scans the contract, checks for honeypot risks, locked liquidity, and suspicious functions. You get a safety report before committing funds. Set your rules once. Take profit, stop loss, or partial sells. The bot executes automatically, 24/7. No emotions, no delays. Optional copy trading lets you mirror successful wallets, with anti-MEV protection to prevent front-running. Now, quick setup. Step 1. Connect your wallet. Phantom, Solflare, or any Solana wallet. Read-only access. You confirm every transaction. Set your trade size. For example, 0.1 to 1 Sol, and slippage at 15 to 25% for volatile pairs. Step 3. Configure auto exit. Take profit at plus 50%, stop loss at minus 30%. Enable partial sells if you want to secure your deposit early. Step 4. Turn on security filters. Honeypot check, liquidity analysis, suspicious TX alerts. Step 5. Optional. Activate copy trading or anti-MEV protection for advanced use. Done. Your bot is live. Remember, Sol Sniper doesn't guarantee profit. It gives you opportunity. Professional results come from discipline and consistent execution. Start small, test the setup, then scale with confidence. Ready to start? The link to Sol Sniper and a quick start guide are in the description below. Quick question for you. What matters most in a trading bot? Speed, security, or automation? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every one. Subscribe for more Pro Tool breakdowns. Trade smart. Take action.